Hey guys, I want to do a quick review for you on this General Hydroponics pH Up solution. Um, I do a lot of indoor growing, and I know it's extremely important to keep your water pH at around a neutral level, depending on what you're growing, right? So, I mean, this water here right now is a 6.6 pH. So I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration and show you how to use this and how well it works. So like I said, 6.6 now, take your lid off, and instead of pulling that whole foil off, I just like to poke a little hole in mine so it's really easy, so you can just put some drops in there. So just put some in. Oops, I spilled a little. And then I use my meter and go ahead and mix it up. You see, so I actually put in quite a bit for the amount of water I have, but it's shooting way up there. So it took me all the way up to an 8.3 now. So, I mean, overall, like I said, this stuff, it's really strong, it's really powerful, and it does a great job at helping you manage your water pH. So anybody growing indoors, I highly recommend this.